Do you know this trees? Oh? See, the flower is good, yeah. See the texture of his leaves, so like this. Oh. See, you notice this is little big, but you know if you are not cutting these trees, this will become very tall and very big. As you know, this trees is name of Lagundi. This Lagundi is very popular in the Philippines because this is herbal medicine. See here have even here is very hot. These trees are survive. See, this trees is very strong. Even though too much hot, see? If you notice his leaves, it will not cramp. So very strong. See, but if you will check the leaves, it's not not no much thick. It's very thin, but it's very strong. You know, if we want to strong our body, we must to take the nutrition from the strong tree like this. See, if you take the nutrition, the nutrient from this tree, then your body will be strong also. That's why, but I noticed that here this tree is not maybe they did not recognize this as the herbal, because even some other people here are not using only the cutting. They using only for the plants purpose only, like for landscaping only purpose. But you know, is very good because you know, if you have a cup, this you boil only this, and this is very good. After that 3 times a day you drinking this tea coming from this leaves. See now this Lagundi tree is now flowering. You know, if you want to take the good medicine, the good timing for taking medicine from the any herbal plants or herb, you must to take the some trunks or leaves in the time of the trees are flowering. That is all the nutrients that you need, you will take. That's why in this time, this tree is flowering, is the best time to get. So it's like this. You will take more, and then let it dry, and then you stuck in your room. After, if you have some bad feeling like this, if you have a cough, or if you have a fever, or maybe you will have a feeling of very difficult in the of your throat, there's too much mucus, this will help. That's why you use this Lagundi. And also, you know, some people also have cold. Also, maybe if you have children that cold, so you use this. As we know that you know, the medicine in the drugstore is too much. You know, every year the price is coming high. So we must do study of this like this herbal. And so you know that the herbal It's very good in our body. If you have maybe if you are drinking also this medicine from the drugstore, you must to take also this. Take a drink of this herbal medicine. You know the before the old people, before the ancient time, people are always drinking only this herbal medicine. You see that their age is too much. Sometimes coming up 90 years old, 80 years old, is too much strong. They are even they're 85 years old, 90 years old. You see, they are lifting some bag of rice. They can lift. But you see now, because now the people now only they are taking medicine from the drugstore. That's why now the body of the people is weak. But unlike the body of the people before, they only taking herbal, because this herbal, when you are drinking, some internal organs of the body will make to clean and to renew again. That is the better of this drinking of this herbal. But if you cannot stop your this drinking from the medicine from the drugstore, you can add also the, you drink that and also add this. You drink only this 3 times a day. After your body will be strong, because as long as you drinking of this, some internal organ will also making strong. Also our immune system will be strong also. At you know this immune system, this is the like the hospital in our body, because if our immune system is very strong, this if there is some problem of the inside of our body, this immune system will cure this. That's why you see some people, they are not taking medicine, but they have some problem in their body. But you see, they are automatically cure by self. Our body also, they're adjusting, and they're automatically curing because of that this immune system. That's why we must to make strong our immune system. And this is the one example of this plant. You see, even the climate is very hot. You see, survive. You see the soil. The soil is very dry, but it's still alive. See, very strong. That's why if you want to strong, we must to take nutrients from tree like this Lagundi. Even if you have some you know, some people are feeling of rheumatism. You know, rheumatism, this is the problem in the knee. There is swelling. Sometimes they are feeling of very difficult to climb in the ladder because of this very strong pain in their knee. That is the rheumatism. This is too much problem. Maybe mostly if you are working, because mostly if you have there's young children that is still in school, so you must continue to work, because you need money every day. That's why we cannot stop. Even we are old enough, and we need to retire, but we cannot do to retire because of what we will do. We have some young children, mostly the people that are late in getting married. This also, you will see that they are forcing themselves to work. Because even though they are feeling of bad in their knee and also this waist, there are too much feeling of pain, but he must to get up early and go to work. That's why start to drinking of like this. You make this lips you will dry only after you put in the boiling water like tea. And there also you can buy in the drugstore of Lagundi tea. If you like this there is in the bag, small bag. After you can use it. But if you like pre, so you can take like this. And also if you are if you see in your neighbor that there is a tree like this, it's very easy to plant this like this. See this like this color. This you will cutting only this, and then after removing some trunks like this, and after this cutting you will stop only there in the soil, and every day you will put water. Mostly in the Philippines, they are always raining. It is very easy to plant this. Before in the Philippines, I only taking this, and after that I only stubbing in the soil. And after 2 weeks, you see there is sprouts of this. Very easy to plant this. Oh, like this brown color, you cutting only like this brown. Yeah, like that brown color is very easy to plant. Very easy to sprout this. That's why much better we have in our house. Because because this medicine now is too much high price. Much better to study what is the some herbal medicine that can cure our problem, our health. But because even the cancer before, there's no too much cancer before, because of some people they are always drinking of this. Much better if you are some little problem, if you have colds, you must boil of dry leaves of like this. If you like this press like this, you can also do, but the most powerful is dry leaves. You must dry this because there is some other ingredients with if there is if you use this press leaves, but if you dry this, so you can take more percent of this medicine from this herbal plants. That's why it's better to use dry leaves of this Lagundi. If you have also you have some problem in your stomach, maybe some digestive very slow, you can also use this Lagundi, because this is good also. After your metabolism will be strong if you drink of the tea of leaves. See, this is also my friend. This is my friend. Okay. My friend. Please, my friend. See, that's why that is very important, and you can plant this in any country, because even this the desert area, these trees are survive. That's why these very amazing trees, and there's so many benefits you can take from this. Even also there is impacts. This impacts now is scattered this in so many country now. This impacts. This if you boil up this Lagundi leaves, and then let it let it little cool after this cook, and maybe you see, you feel your body what is the temperature, and make it double the temperature of your body. And this, if you have some problem in the skin, mostly now there is some scatter for the skin problem. This from Africa, and you know there is some ingredients of this leaves that can help also to reduce this problem. That's why if you have a feeling of like this, some itchiness in your skin, you can use this Lagundi leaves. That's why this Lagundi is too much benefits in our even you have like this, maybe if you have some food that are eat that over, and maybe you have a feeling of diarrhea, and this also Lagundi can help you. That's why it's free. That's why we must to have in one tree in our house, in our yard, because you see this trees also is very fast to grow. And also if like this, if you have a tree like this and too much big, you can also the trunk this, if you cutting the trunks because of maybe this, if you have a Lagundi like this in your yard, and then is coming too big, you can use also this trunks for the cooking purposes. Because you know the cooking gas now is very high price. If you have some trees like this, if the tree may, you see this, too much trunks you can take from this. That's why it's good. So that's why these trees is to have too many benefits. So start to plant these Lagundi trees in your yard, so that you can have a pre-medicine, and also pre-wood for cooking purposes, and also this can also give shade in your yard. So you see in downside, it is very good also to sleep here. Oh, you know, in the afternoon it's very hot, the climate is very hot. It's also good to, mostly in the Philippines. In the Philippines, if you are during the afternoon, after you eat your lunch, it's very good to put some folding bed here downside after good sleeping. Okay, thank you very much, and also don't forget to, for the new viewer, to subscribe and follow in our video. Okay, see you next time again.